If you look at clinical research, we all know it runs late. 80% of clinical trials run late. 50% of those delays are at the research site end. So the biggest broken point of clinical research is actually the research site. We probably shouldn't be surprised because most investigators are one and dones. They come into research, they do one study, they never do another one. And it's a build and break mentality. Set up 20 sites, do a study, break them down, set up the next 20 sites, do the next study. So the reuse of sites had never become really ingrained. So this is rethinking the way the model operates, thinking about the things that don't work in clinical research and then trying to fix them at the site level.
So I think we've got a tremendous opportunity here at Velocity, and it's an opportunity to do things differently. I've been in the space for well over 20 years and I've seen a lot of change, and it's been fantastic. A lot of change, a lot of technology, a lot of different ways of being more efficient. What we haven't seen really is much of a change in the site space, which is, if you think about it, the most critical piece of the clinical research paradigm. That's where the patients are. That's what we can do here at Velocity. We can change the way research is done. When you've got nearly 100 sites globally, it allows you to do things differently. It allows you to be more efficient with processes, but more importantly than that, it allows you to pick the right sites because they're your sites. And it's not just scale for scale's sake. It's about how you utilize that.
So scale for a purpose is what we always try to emphasize in Velocity. So we're able to train or have a training program for investigators that ordinarily sites don't have the opportunity to make that investment. We all know there's not enough investigators in the industry, but nobody's really investing in that. We have that opportunity. Quality is another area. We all talk about improving the quality of the data, the quality of the research, but who's really investing in that? Well, we've established quite a significant QA group in Velocity, but I think the really big difference is in our approach to technology.
Most technology for industry is really built for sponsors or built for CROs. And that's both because that's how the technology can get deployed at scale. And frankly, those are the organizations that can afford to invest in that type of technology. I'm really excited about the vision platform that we're building, A, because it's technology built for sites, by sites, to really service our needs in a way that no one else has ever done that before, and B, because it really is building an efficiency that we've never seen before in the clinical trial space.
Velocity's been able to amass significant amounts of data on historical trial experiences, historical enrollment, data on our patients and our patient lives within the database. All of this combined gives us the ability to be predictable when it comes to our commitments. We want to be the best partner we can be for our clients.
The concept that I truly believe you're getting with Velocity is you're getting all the benefits that you used to have with multiple different sites of high quality, but you're getting a centralized overlay that should give you and will give you the confidence that the research is being done well and it's been done with the highest amount of care.
We've invested in a lot of infrastructure, central operations, quality processes to make sure that we're doing things consistently, same time, over and over again, can provide a lot of predictability and control to our customers while still giving autonomy to the sites to be able to do what they need to do to see patients every day. Really trying to balance and take advantage of both what you can do locally and what we can do centrally.
The great thing with Velocity is there are sites, there are physicians, there are PIs. They're not bidding for work. And what we can do is assess accurately how we get the patients for those trials, how many sites we need to use to get those patients, and therefore come up with the right number. And that means less sites, more patients for the clinical trial.
Velocity offers the scale and the breadth of experienced sites to deliver entire studies, or at least portions of studies. By offloading a portion of a program to Velocity, you're mitigating the risk of delivery. Typically, you can only have speed or quality. With Velocity, based on the experienced sites, the experienced leadership, and the infrastructure that we've built, the business that we've built, we've been able to deliver both.
Velocity's vision is to make clinical research accessible for everybody. And our mission is to accelerate the clinical research process. That's what this is fundamentally about. The efficiency gains allow us to get drugs from the lab onto the market and into the hands of patients who need them, which is all of us. So the real benefit to faster drug development is better treatments for patients.